And we're both also in the service industry, and I feel like working with verified builders is like kind of like, oh, we should up our game.
We should up our game. Verified builders had 5-star reviews, and then I just had a really good feel from my very first phone call. Solomon and Verified Builders were the perfect people for us. They made us feel so comfortable, and we had problems that came up. And every time big problem or a little problem came up, it was, okay, we will take care of it. We will figure it out. There was never putting it back on us to figure it out. It was, we're here to help you make the most beautiful house that you've ever seen. And so I have and will continue to recommend Verified Builders. They just always found a way to do the thing that we wanted to do, even if it was really difficult or required like extra things. They just went over and above for us. And I have to say, when your neighbors tell you that your contractors have been great, very professional, very polite, very, all of the things.
Absolutely would recommend them with glowing praises. I see why all the 5-star reviews. We're another 5-star review.